Alright, so we just wrapped up some work today on the K40 again. Guys, we've got the engine, the gearbox and all of that in. We've done the rear diff. We are waiting for them to bring us our prop shafts and our intercoolers, radiators and all those kinds of cool items. So I don't want to really show you the truck until then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load a bunch of the older videos, get you back up to speed to where we are, so that next week when you see us again, you can check out the engine and everything. Alright, so here on the K40 we have to take the perches off. We have to take off the shock mounts because the rear diff doesn't fit inside the chassis. This is a Rockwell diff. So we're busy cleaning this thing up here today, taking off the perches, going to realign them and re-weld them on. Alright, so we got the diff in now. I'm going to weld the perches on in their new position, check out measure out the pinion angle, get everything set up, and then get those welded back in, and then we can for away. See, we've got all the doors are in, the rear roof skin is in, our rear cab skin, shall I say. The bed is split. We're waiting for those panels to be delivered with the bends. We're waiting for the final top roof skin to be delivered, but otherwise she's assembled. We are going to be cutting the fenders here to replace this section here, and we're going to be putting a set of indicators here. Due to the size of the truck, we have to put some side markings down the side and on the rear, which normal trucks wouldn't have. So, but there we go. As you can see, she's pretty much complete. We're in the final stages of welding now, hoping to get her into bodywork September. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we got the super cab now off of the chassis, so we do the last welding on the roof. Going to do the final fitment of the diff, the motor, the gearbox, get the wheels back on this thing, start to clean up, get rid of all the old stuff. But yeah, super cab on the floor, as you saw when she got lifted, all held together in one piece. Just got a couple of final welds to deal with on her, and then we for away. And then we're going to take the motor out this box as well now, which has arrived, the brand new motor. We're going to open that, get that into the chassis. Alright, we've tacked in the rear skin temporary, doors are tacked into place. Going to now start fixing the roof now, cutting out here channels, putting a new roof skin on, putting the final floor skin in, and then this thing's off to bodywork. But details coming. Going to do a final measurement on the cab there just so we can check our load bed, and then from there we're going to sort it out. These lines here need to still be just pushed in, that's why it's going back on the chassis. Alright, it's the Cummins video today. I'm here with Mr. Charlie. We're going to open the box. We're going to reveal the Cummins for the K40 build. Okay, we've got the top open. So you guys are going to see this thing for the first time with us. This is the first time we see it, and it's going to be the first time you see it. So, Carl, hopefully this thing's a good, bro. Alright, Charlie, let's pop this lid here, my man. Let's show the people what's hiding in here. Oh, there we go, brand new Cummins motor. Ooh la la. Alright, now, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's just amazing, brand new.
From uni paper.
Huh?
New paper.
Everything brand new,
yes.
never been used.
Never been used.
Never. Alright,
Just built.
I think we have to do the same, yeah.
Okay, this side.
Then the front flap will come down and then we can get it out. Alright, there you have it. There's the brand new Cummins. Jolly, let's see if we can cut that cable tie there. Then we can just open it and have a look at it. Let's just see what mountings are on there. Ooh la la. Holy moly, look at that. Sure. Yo. Huh? Look at that. Sure. Now I'm jealous.
Yeah, just like it.
Hey. Now I'm jealous. Look at that.
Okay, this one, the house will stay there.
Yeah, Bellhousing's the same. I just want to see what mountings they've got. Okay, so we're going to just have to make some changes outside to fit these mountings.
Front one.
Yeah, but those are nice mountings. Yo. Alright, so we've also got this other back skin here now, because when we originally were doing a 4-door, it wasn't suicide doors, and now it went to suicide doors. So we're having a matching problem here when the doors open that we're busy sorting out. We've had to take this back skin off again. So we're taking that one off. We're going to work with this one here to make the side panels. We're probably going to have to trim the doors as well, somewhere around there, just to make everything fit so it opens and closes, because what these cabs actually do is they start narrower and seem to widen out towards when you get to the back. So the two backs fit perfectly, but now what it's doing is it's narrowing forward and wanting to narrow backwards. So we've had to stretch the back out, but this now creates a problem with this back skin not fitting correctly in here. So now we're busy dealing with that and the spare back skin here and take it from there. As you can see, we've got the new motors out. Check that thing. We just had it in the truck. Had to trim some more of the firewall out. Busy now with the final engine mounts, and then Monday morning we have to just brace the back of the cab because of that skin. Undo the steering because we've got the steering connected in, and then we're going to move that back. As you can see, we've got the fuel tanks are in on both sides as well. So we're almost there, making a lot of progress. Almost all the parts have been primered already. There's everything there primered, bonnet primered, nose is primered over there. So these are just the mock-up doors. These are not the final doors. The final doors are over there in primer already. So yeah, we're just dialing in the cab, making sure everything fits perfectly before we start to close up the cab for final. But we are making progress. I lost a lot of video footage, unfortunately, camera and format issues. All right, there we go. The new motor is inside the chassis, but we have to do some more cutting on the cab again. So the next video, you will see it complete.